going on, YouTube? It's kind of dark still. It's actually early in the morning. Taking the 701 for some suspension work this time. This one's for my sister. This is her bike. It's an Enduro, 2016 Enduro, and it's tall as hell, so I'm actually tiptoed on it at 6'2". It's actually perfect for me, actually, the height. I like the height. But she's my sister's 5'3", and she wants to ride this bike, so we're gonna get it properly set up for her height, I guess. I don't know what they're gonna do. I think they're gonna change the springs to a shorter spring. You know, they're not gonna do it the cheap way, like putting shorter dog bones, or is that shorter or longer? Like different dog bones on the rear suspension to lower the bike. They don't do that. They actually they break it up, and they do it like the legit way, which is changing the spring, the actual spring. What the hell's up with this traffic though? Yeah, so dropping it off. Just picked up the Monster recently from the same people. So yeah, it's gonna be a nice maybe we'll get a discount. Super Plush in San Francisco, highly recommended. They're really good people, very skilled. They're very meticulous in what they're doing, and I like it. I should be splitting behind this guy. Sorry about that, guys. That was wrong. My mistake. These knobbies aren't too bad on the street. It's kind of wonky though on the turns, but it still has plenty of grip. Let's follow this guy. I like following other people splitting because they kind of like, hey, we're here, and it's kind of easier for me. Oh, come on. This thing has plenty of power. I mean, I almost got one before I got the 1199, but I chose to get the 1199 because of just the pure awesomeness of the 1199. This guy's trying to go fast. I'm not going that way though, so good luck, buddy. So anyway, man, it's cold. So yeah, we're gonna drop it off, and then we'll see how it looks afterwards. It's gonna be hella funny. It's a really low Enduro. Yeah, whatever. It's her money, I guess. Thanks, Eric. Bye. Later. All right. 701 lowered. You guys can see that. Yeah. I can't use the kickstand because the kickstand's too long. So yeah, that's how it looks like lowered. Yeah. Kind of weird. Okay. So there's still some height to it, but I am flat-footed. I was tiptoed. Let's see how it rides. So a complete spring revalve, full suspension job basically. Change of springs, change of valving. It's actually weighted for my sister's weight, so it's really soft for me right now, but we're gonna give it a try. I mean, still has that power. I mean, it still rides pretty okay. I mean, I guess overall height difference. Yeah, I don't think there's any. There's the knobbies are still vibrating the hell out of me though. So riding knobbies on the street, I really don't like it, but that's what we have. Once we get the Supermoto wheels, we'll really give it a shot and see how it feels on the street. But so far, the suspension work is pretty good. It works well. It's working well on the street, even with knobbies on. Alright, now that should close out the video. Just went and picked up the 701, and it rides okay still, even though it's lowered. So that's a good thing to report. If you're thinking about lowering this bike, I don't know if anyone has ever done it. So here it is. It still rides okay. It's just lower to the ground. Okay, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video.